Today we have a hell damaged Subaru Outback. This is before the repair was started, and this is the after. You want to stay tuned and watch the entire process. Enjoy the video. First thing we're going to do is hang our Gorilla Bar. It allows us to get leverage to the back side of the panel. We're going to work it from the rear all the way to the sunroof. And able to do that, you have to drop the headliner, the lift gate, and the sunroof. If you want to see that, that's in another video. So here it is, we're just pushing dents from the rear. You can see on the lines in the center of the video, the dents are slowly disappearing. You have to look in multiple different angles when you're pushing these dents. You just can't look one way, you have to cross check. So for example, you look straight towards the front of the hood, and then you look from the passenger side to the driver's side while you're pushing. So that way you can look and get all different angles on the dent to properly get it removed. Otherwise, you're going to have imperfections in the paint or in the panel, and it's just not going to look right. You have to do it all over again. It's a timely process. This particular roof, I think it took about 4 hours, maybe 5 with breaks. The entire repair, we did all 4 panels on the sides. We did the fenders, all doors, quarter panels, the rails, the hood, and the roof. That took about a 9-hour work day to get all that complete, including the R&I, which is removing the parts that get access to the backside of the panel, such as the sunroof, headliner, lift gate, the hood insulator pad, the tail lights to get access to the quarter panels. Just a little time lapse here. So here's another angle from the inside. We're using a soft tip to avoid scratching the backside of the panel and to allow us to move a lot more metal per push. This is a well tail. We use it to get access in between tight spaces such as this brace here. What we do is just leverage one end of the well tail off the brace, and the other end actually pushes the dent on the back side of the roof panel. See, there's a lot of flex there because those braces are I'm going to just do a little demonstration of this one little dent here. Tiny little pushes is all you need to do to get this dent up. And this is Subaru metal. It's thin, makes it easier to push the metal, but also makes it easier to do damage to the panel if you don't push properly. So now we're going to do what we call as a cross check. We're going to work it through the passenger door, and we're going to work on this particular brace. This is a larger well tail. Gives us a little bit more leverage, more power. And now we're going to insert our monkey bar, which allows us to get leverage for rods for pushing. Here's another view. Open the door, drop it in, and it's going to hang on those 2 little marker tabs. I don't even know what they're called actually. But insert the tool and leverage off the monkey bar, and then gently push the dented area and massage the panel until the dent disappears. And while we're pushing the metal, we're looking in multiple directions. That's why we have all these lights set up, so we can look left, right, straight ahead. That's called cross-checking, which allows us to remove the dent cleanly in a more efficient manner. And I do not use the line boards to see the dent. It's only here for video purposes. I use the other lights in the background to remove the dent. The lines just allow you to see the dents easier in video, if you're wondering. using this particular tool here. You can get it from A1 PDR tools. It comes in a 3-set, different lengths, and I like using them for getting dents removed closer to the edges of the panel, especially using the monkey bar, just because of that bend, the double bend, and how high it goes up. It allows for easier repairs near the edges of roof panels. For me, I like to work the dent in the center when they're deeper like this. I usually try to get the lowest point up first, just depending on the dent, but most hell dents I usually go for the center, work my way around. These R4 cherry tips you can get from Dentcraft. They're amazing for doing hail damage repairs. You can move a lot of metal quickly, get the dent up much faster. Just allows for more efficient and productive repairs doing hail damage. And the bench that I'm standing on is called a quick bench. You can get this from Dentcraft tools as well. I think it's about $400. It has adjustable heights. It goes up to, I believe, 4 feet, maybe 3 feet. I'm not 100% sure, but it's excellent for doing tall vehicles. And here we are, we're just tapping down the high spots just to get the metal flush. It's part of the process. And once the repair is complete, I like to add corrosion protection, because when I'm using sharp dents or sharp tip tools, I like to clean up the dent to make it perfect. And it obviously creates scratches on the backside of the panel, so we just put an corrosion protectant on the backside, and we do this on every single panel that we work on that we can get access to. And here's the after. I like to remove the antenna. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have questions, let me know. As always, have a great day.